Checking. Topping up levels in the rear. The engine bay must be opened to check the oil and coolant levels. Never do this when the engine is warm. The fans could start up at any time and cause injury. In the luggage compartment, remove the 3 wing bolts, open the rear screen and secure it using the stay provided for this purpose. You can now remove the engine cover mounting bolts, or depending on the version of your A110, the quarter-turn eyelets, and place it on a clean, dry surface. Once the minimum level is reached, a message appears on the instrument panel. However, a frequent visual check using the dipstick is recommended. Top up if necessary and wait 10 minutes before checking the level again. Never exceed the maximum level, as this might damage the engine and the catalytic converter. To check the levels in the cooling system, use the min and max indicators on the 2 reservoirs located in the engine bay.